that is a automatic change of the chime for this clock, which is a pretty neat feature. So I'm going to talk about this for just a little bit, try not to go too long, but for this, how this works is the 3, 6, 9, and 12 are Westminster, 1, 4, 7, and 10 are St. Michael, 2, 5, 8, and 11 are Whittington. So it goes Westminster, St. Michael, Whittington, Westminster, St. Michael, Whittington. I don't know. It's tired. But how this works is there is a gear right here that is connected to this pin for the barrel. And when I am to move this gear is directly coupled from the time gears, and when it is moved, there is the piece that moves it back and forth with the hands. So right now it's on Whittington, and it will drop back to Westminster when I move it. See, it then moves to Westminster, then I move it back to Whittington, which you're not really supposed to move it back when it's on the automatic changer, but here's how it actually looks when the barrel moves it. So right now it's on Whittington, and not only the clock would move, but here's what it would do. See, Westminster, and then back to Whittington. It's pretty nice, and it moves it between the period of the hour to the 15-minute. It's pretty awesome.